Hmm. Okay.
Hey
Wait,
boys.
what? So are we waiting for Fong to start recording?
What?
Why is he recording?
Why am I recording? Yeah.
Is song recording?
No, I'm not
You should
recording.
record. You should record for a video.
Maybe I will
Yeah, it's
later.
been a while since you've uploaded.
Nah.
Yeah, funny.
You know what? How about
Dude, I
this?
gotta-
How about this? I'll stream too. Actually.
Yeah, stream and then
Oh,
Jake
you
can
have a
watch.
Twitch stream?
No.
Yeah, I'm a mod on his stream. He's good, man.
Not streaming.
Yo, what if I decline this?
Yo,
I will literally
I'm gonna
cry.
make.
Wait,
I'm gonna make you not
Wait,
mod.
I declined. Wait, I
What do
declined.
you mean? Why'd you decline, stupid?
Because everyone has to go flex.
We are.
We are
Oh,
flex, you
okay, no,
retard.
I didn't see it. Sorry, go.
Yo, that's the 100
You're
IQ.
actually
I was
dyslexic.
looking at my collection.
You're back?
Dude, you're actually dyslexic, dude.
You know who else is dyslexic? Your mom. Ha.
Whoa!
Whoa,
That's
man.
straight toxicity right there. Yo, I'm top. Let's go. You know what that means?
Why'd I get mid-lane?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yo, I don't know who to play, what to play, why to play.
Dude, does anybody want to switch with me?
Alright, boys.
No, thank you. I've played enough junk.
Yo, Fong, can I go top?
Hmm. If I feel like it.
Who is Zakaria? What? No, I don't know who you are. Shut the hole.
Bro.
I'm gonna ban Lux, cause fuck that stupid champ.
Whoa. Just
You know what?
get you a female.
Damien, maybe I will jungle. No, actually, we chose flex, and therefore we must go with
Yeah.
the roles we have been given. Therefore, I must play top.
Yeah,
Yo,
that
what
makes
do
sense.
mods even do?
They
They
ban people,
moderate
they ban
people.
out.
They moderate.
Make some mod emotes.
But there's no, you can't get mod emotes, you
I feel like
retard.
there's nothing to moderate.
Rank
I wonder why.
What do you mean? I moderated Clifford.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
true.
Clifford's special.
Oh, well.
I wanna be-
Oh,
can
fuck,
you
I'm
go
missing
in a
Galen.
Impressive early game pick.
You wanna switch lanes now?
Yeah, Ash.
No, I'm not gonna switch.
Okay.
What's this
Ash
win
is
rate?
not an impressive early game pick. Ash is everything but oppressive.
Oh, okay, well,
Uh-oh.
According to
Well, I guess-
U.GG, Quinn is a counter pick to Galen, therefore I will be playing Quinn today.
Since they took my Ash, I'm not playing anything, so I'm gonna dodge.
Wait, no, can I play bottom lane?
Bruh.
Who the
I
fuck
could
do I play?
I
Should I
could
play you?
Play this boy.
Let's go.
I am so bad on Lucian.
Why? Dumbass. Let's win lane though.
Don't worry, I'm also bad at swing.
Wait, who's jungle? Jelly Dragon, you better gank lane. We're gonna beat the fuck out of this Ash so
Yeah,
hard.
I'm gonna whine if we don't get any.
We're
Hey,
gonna
Jamie, you want to gank me instead?
Yeah, I got you.
we're gonna shove our dicks so far up Ash's ass. Red into
Yo, am I playing
Eternal
you?
life.
takes wing.
Wait,
Am
why
I
am I
playing
taking
you?
teleport? I don't need
Yes,
teleport
you do.
when I have my ult.
Yo, wait, who am I playing?
You're playing Nunu.
Why Nunu?
I don't know. Why not? Play Rengar.
I don't have Rengar, I play Nunu.
He's so easy to play. No, I'm joking. I played games. I need to learn that champion very hard.
Alright. Of course I go Predator.
Oh, dude, we're all in the same club now.
Yee. It's time to flex on these givers.
It's not flex unless we're flexing our clan tag.
True.
Is it Trist mid? Icky.
Wow.
Zed.
Wow, Johnson.
Wow, Johnson, that's peak of excitement right there. What the fuck am I doing? There we go.
Don't resident sleep. Nice. I forgot. I almost forgot to take smite, but I had it. That was close.
I'm sure automatically have smite.
You literally,
Yeah.
yeah,
I know. It automatically gives it to me, but I forgot, so I thought I forgot it.
Lamoa.
I forgot to get it automatically. Yeah.
No, I
Oh
forgot that I
shit,
got
that's
it.
electrocute Garen.
Dude, Tristana mid lane, that doesn't work unless you have a hammer digger in bot lane.
Shut up,
Lamoa.
Johnson.
Yo,
Stop
everybody,
speaking.
James.
Hmm.
You know that meme Nikita sent to Minecraft hoes and cool kids? The one that
Which
it's like,
one?
I now pronounce you husband and cumburger.
Yeah.
That clip of the cumburger was taken from Poopasure's YouTube video.
Ah, yes, of course. What else?
He's playing Papa's Burger again. Wait, why are we playing Flex? Why is none of us playing champions we're good at?
What do you mean?
Because flex is used to flex your champion, Ocean.
Yeah, Garen's flexing.
What do you mean? Nikita's playing a champion he knows how to play. Look, he's mastering.
Yeah, me too. I'm playing Nunu. I'm going full speed.
Yeah, but you're not master rank, so you're.
Yeah, but I have
shut the fuck.
Predator, so it makes
Lol,
up for
that's
it.
Bigu.
No, you shut up.
Freak you, Jones.
Shut up.
Don't make me hurt you.
Your opinion is invalid.
Oh, so is your dad.
Oh, oh, wow. Oh my. That's so toxic. Says the person with the
dad.
dad. So basically everyone here must chill.
Superhero needs a background god heritage.
Johnson, I'm sorry. Here, I'll gank your lane, I promise.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go gank your lane just to apologize.
Dude, Johnson doesn't go to church one Sunday. Wait 1 sec.
No, here's what's gonna happen.
Johnson
I
doesn't
didn't
go to
mean it.
church for one Sunday. God, your dad privileges. Hand them over.
Here's what's
It's
gonna
not
happen.
funny.
Damien's gonna gank Johnson, and then Damien's gonna feed Tristana.
To the plan, Val.
Nah. Why would I feed Tristana? Wait, why is it Tristana mid?
I don't know,
Why
it's
did
like
Johnson
meta or
start
some
Dark
shit.
Steel?
Minions have spawned.
Johnson, what are you doing there, bud?
What do you want,
Why do
bitch?
you Dark Seal?
Find me.
Why not?
Why are you so mad at fucking Damien? Relax.
What
Alright, Damien,
All
I'm gonna
he-
go
all
ward
he
your
said-
blue.
Dude, all he said was a joke about your dad who left you. Child.
Why
Didn't
do
do
you think
anything
I'm
that
mad?
bad.
Whoa, wait, why do you think I'm mad? I literally said
Wait, what the truck? Wait, I specifically counterpicked the Garen.
So?
When you
Yo.
counterpick, but you don't. You want
Wait
to
a
still.
second, Jared this.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks for the help. Yeah, I'm going bot lane to level 2.
I took Damien's buff.
Why?
Yeah, why?
Funny.
And nobody else is
No,
laughing.
no.
You're putting me behind and we're losing the game now.
What are you talking about? We're doing so good now. Dude, that was great. I love that.
Yes, of
That
course.
brings joy to my existence. Yo.
I'm not helping you attack her.
No!
Well, you're just stupid. We could have.
Yo, Johnson, we're switching.
So,
Why are we switching? I actually want to play against Garen. Okay. Garen is way more is way more better to fight against.
Yo, this shit ain't
And
right, yo.
Tristana with cleanse, yeah.
Yeah, what the fuck is the Tristana gonna do? What do you cleanse? It's time to do some inting.
We've got
I
Sorry, I
feel-
didn't mean to take it.
I'm feeling the inting movement.
What the frick are you doing, Nikita?
Damien, it's called for fun.
Yeah, but it's
Yeah,
not
man,
for fun if we're not having fun.
The for fun.
I'm behind.
Fuck, I can't see us.
Fun.
It's for fun if you shut up.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
I
Why does
just-
she have TP?
Wait, hold up. I was
Just
doing
because it's
something.
flex doesn't mean for fun.
There we go.
Ranked is for puss or is for tryhards.
Fuck.
kinda
I'm
don't
actually
wanna
so
get
garbage
attacked
at
by
this
this
game.
welfare.
What's this guy doing?
I don't know.
What's this guy gonna do? Is he gonna throw it out? Throw it out. I do. This guy's
Why
such
is he
a, you know,
level?
just leave the game, man. If you're not gonna throw it, the cube.
Literally, if you're not gonna do your job, just leave the game.
This looks pretty delicious.
Yo, I found a volley bear.
Why do I kill him again? I'm not supposed to do that much damage.
Dude, I never knew Lucian does this.
Yo, volley bear is getting the crab there.
Dude, let's go get him. Let's go converge on my location.
I'm coming.
Wait, Volleybear's top.
Yo, I hit him.
Oh, he was talking.
Are we getting this? Yeah, let's get
Yeah.
this.
I'm
We
ahead
already
out.
set Damien behind, so we can get this.
I don't think that's how it works.
There goes yours.
Yo, wait, what?
Yeah, I
Garen
can
went
kick
bot lane, dude?
What the fuck? Epic, dude.
I just the freaking pole.
Yeah. Yeah,
What the fuck are we doing?
Thanks for stunning him,
What?
thanks for stunning him, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Okay,
What
what
wouldn't
what are
I-
you doing, Damien? Damien, what the hell?
Johnson, what wouldn't I do for a friend?
I don't know, maybe not take the red buff.
Damien, who said we're friends?
Lamola.
Good point.
We're fuck buddies at best.
Wowzers. Very intimate things going on here.
Wait, Damien, so you're coming to our weekly anal sesh tomorrow?
Who's coming?
Me, Alex, Kevin, every white person I know.
Hmm.
I mean, it's kind of the White Club, so.
So I seem to be in a losing lane against the Tristana with the points. This is great.
Dude.
No, it's alright.
Yo, I'm gonna come up there after I get level 4.
This
You
is
don't
No,
even
that's-
know.
that- that
you're
is
already taking
viable.
on my guild.
Alright, Fawn,
I'm
got level
sorry.
4. I'm coming up there.
I don't mean it.
I
It's okay, just farm up. We're fine.
Alright, Fawn, you
Have to get
ready?
For ahead, you just need money.
Oh,
sure,
we-
sure,
We
sure.
have to end this game
Yeah,
early.
I'm coming in with the speed of Zeus.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing I'm buying is boots. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. Never mind, you go.
Oh, she ulted me. Oh.
Aw. Vision.
Whatever, at least we got her ult.
And it cleanse.
Did
I
we?
seem to get looks like my lane is getting taxed.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, okay.
Fuck.
Kill him, please.
Cool.
Nice.
This guy, I haven't seen this Morgana throw out a key.
She just doesn't know her Q exists as an ability. She's just
Yes,
maxing
of
W.
course.
What would you do if there was a child right in front of you?
Probably assault it.
Ask him if they have a dog.
Wow, Johnson, I see you.
Nice.
Fuck,
Flash.
this guy uses mana.
Yeah, you need Essence Reaver.
You get SSGs on this guy?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
do.
You do now, woman.
Damn,
Ooh, how do you
got you
mean?
there?
Lucky guess. Alright, I got Predator boots now.
Oh, I got my ult. I can roam now.
He was on the cannon, yeah.
I like how this Morgana can't like black shield a Q. She just doesn't know how to.
She black shields your E.
She black shields my E, which you're not supposed to, because if I Q E and you black shield my Q, my E is just useless. Because all I do is come into fucking turret range.
Okay, I have the drive-by ability, so I...
Oh,
Drive by
shit.
build.
Drive by.
You drive by build.
Oh, Garen's coming down.
Good.
Oh, that's
Yes.
fine.
I
Okay,
did not know
What
that,
are you
dude.
gonna do?
Thanks,
What are you
thanks
gonna
for
do?
thanks for clarifying.
What do you?
Oh my god, he actually landed it.
Oh,
Why is everyone...
Garen here?
Let's go fast!
No, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Nice done.
I don't know why I put ignite on that Bibba.
Dude, why didn't you hit the Garen with that, dumbass?
Which one of us are you talking to?
You.
What did I hit him
You
with?
should have E'd Garen.
Why? I hit the volley berry with lower health.
No, but you should have E'd Garen because you would have actually rooted him, unlike the.
Yeah, but I don't like Garen.
Well, that means you're stupid. Oh, I don't have stack. I
Oh,
forgot.
dude, they really want to kill
Dang,
me.
I have no mana.
I don't care. Blue buff.
Can I not like regen health? Hello? Why is everything?
How you doing?
Because then there's a ward in there.
Your phone. How you
No, I
doing?
mean, why is
You're-
everything?
Why is
Bad.
what?
Why is everything warded?
I don't know.
Your phone. I'm gonna get level 6 and come up there. So you just maybe a minute and a half.
Yo, we take these. Brug.
Fuck.
Yo, I just need one more camp and then I'll get level 6.
I don't question Spark, my control ward.
No, don't worry about it.
I don't know where she is. I think she's base.
I found her. She's right there. She's getting her controller.
Hey, nice.
You
Dude,
know,
I like my recall
you
animation.
can't
It's
win
really
them all,
nice.
right?
Yeah. I'm contemplating suicide.
Ooga chugga, ooga 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 chugga, ooga 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 chugga, ooga 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 chugga.
Insane!
I can't stop this feeling
Yo, she just juked me.
inside of me.
Yo, she
Chugga.
flies. Yo, I don't want to die.
Girl, you got.
Oh!
What the
No! That's I actually expected
fuck?
Oh.
So
you.
useless, Johnson.
Yeah, should I go back in?
What do you mean? You can't even kill a volley bear.
Yo,
Say that again.
You can't even kill a volley bear.
I didn't mean literally, brother.
Thanks.
Anytime.
Night Lucian, I'm coming back to steal
Man, I
your
almost had that
EXP.
Tristana.
No, no,
Yeah.
no.
Look at that vision. That's nice.
I don't have ult for the big team fight though. Except for it's not a team
Oh,
fight,
you don't
it's
need it
five.
because you just steal it anyways without it.
Okay, stop crying. Just I stole your kill like 3 times.
4.
Okay,
3.
James,
One of them
calm
no, one
yourself.
of them was solo kill.
Don't wanna be
What are you doing, Damien?
Money.
Why are you here?
Okay,
You
retard.
literally killed a melee minion without actually taking the money.
Bro, that hurts.
Yo, he took the money.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
You fat cunt.
Fuck.
You're actually a
Yo,
fat cunt.
Kong, be cautious. Yo, Kong, I'm gonna come up there.
She's gonna get my
You
turret.
are a fat
Yo,
cunt.
volley bear, come here, bitch.
Volley bar.
You're a fat cunt. Fat cunt.
I took his camp, now he's upset for you. Yo, do you want to get him, Johnson? I could ult.
Alright, we got it. We got it.
What do you see up there?
What the frick?
Bruh.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm okay.
she's totally gonna kill you.
I'm okay. I'm gonna lose to it now.
Why are they bad?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Lucian.
It's Finn.
I don't think it is. We should back. There's a
Okay.
thing falling on my PC. I'm scared. What the fuck?
Be gay, don't wanna be free.
Oh, where'd
That is
Tristana
so
go?
mean.
Oh,
Yo,
Tristana's
this
right there.
guy's healing. This guy's healing so much.
Yes, I believe that's called volley bear
No,
passive.
you, Damien.
Okay, I'll come, Damien.
I'm also
Damien,
coming
Dude,
at the
his
speed of
passive has like
flying.
an 8 billion second cooldown.
Wait.
Don't wanna be hurt.
Wait, there's a this person there. So
Oh!
that's
Get the mail!
I'm on my way though.
Dude, you guys are kind of like... Yeah.
We're doing
We're kinda
Johnson.
chill.
Yeah, all of us, including your KD.
We're kind of just
Yeah.
vibing.
Did you see how much-
I'm a head out. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Ah, nice.
What the fuck?
Piss off, Johnson. I was just like, yeah.
Why do you think I was talking with you?
Damien, go in.
I'm not going in. There's a
I have
tower.
all dumbass.
Why did you smite that?
Because there's a tower and I want money.
What are you doing? Are you trolling? Bro, are you trolling, dude?
I'm lucky.
No.
Wait, which one of us is trolling?
That would be
Damien
me.
is, because he didn't go in.
Why would I go in? I didn't need
So that we win the game, there's a man coming down.
Yeah, but you put me
There.
behind, so now I'm levels down.
Shut up, Damien. You were bad before.
Shut up.
No, I'm
Shut
not
up.
even doing that bad either. You just put me behind so I couldn't do good. I want that to
Epic.
Sounds like someone's pretty passive.
Passive aggressive, that is.
Oh,
Not
Garen
Inting, not
really
Inting,
wanted to
not
live there.
Inting.
Shit.
on.
coming,
should I-
like,
What the
Wrong?
frick is wrong with them? Okay, no ults.
Wrong?
What? What up?
You fat cunt, stop taking my minion.
Ooh, some trash talk.
God,
More like jewel talk.
what?
Shut up, alright? You don't know
Get
how
one
to.
of them low so I can ult.
What the? F
Damn,
Why
you
keep on
trash.
running to say that?
Brug. That was unfortunate.
Yeah, I
Demacia is counting.
Let's go, baby.
can. Oh, she's like the actual cook.
Epic.
Okay, I
Cool
help.
and good.
Okay, I help.
Wait, let me just...
Oh yeah, we totally don't know that they're all in there.
Shut down.
Why the fuck am I dead? Oh my god.
Double.
Yeah, we can clump. We can clump. There's two good people.
Slain.
That's so annoying. I died. I'm fucking crying.
Damien?
Oh, I just got along.
I'm not going
I'm
in.
literally
hell?
shitting and crying right now. Their
Okay.
Tristan is the only good person on the team.
Well, it looks like I have a challenge.
How dare you turret dive without me?
Fuck.
Oh, we're really into early. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I got it.
I gotta run.
Woo! Speed time! So fast.
There we go. Big money.
Dude, I need to get
How good
red
is this
before
Ash? Oh, never mind. Probably
Ash,
not really good.
I
Ash
don't
is
know.
trash.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
have to
fuck
go.
her, she died.
Yo, that rhymes, dude.
Guys, I'm gonna have to go. Can we just push me?
Why do you have to go?
Cause I do. Don't
Nice anti-synergy.
We need a reason. Like,
Yeah, we need a reason. Yeah, we do. We will literally do nothing until you tell us.
Well, that sucks. Some of us disconnect.
Well, then we'll report you.
Wait, you guys want Kevin to be
I'll
added
report
to
the following
chopsticks
day.
and rice?
I'll report you for N waiting.
No, you
Can
can't
you
do
not
that.
deal a little bit of damage to her?
No,
You
I don't
actually
think
can't
I will.
report me. You actually can't report me when you leave the game, so you can't actually deal with me.
Oh shit.
Bro, there's
what
a
is this? Wait, keep
Holy
baiting, keep
Garen
baiting, keep baiting, keep baiting.
Who's baiting?
Just go on her, go on her. Go on that bitch.
I'm coming with the might of Zeus. Oh,
Hey,
no.
you can't say that.
Wait, there's a third person. I think it's Triss. Not Triss stuff.
No, this is talking,
Ash.
dude.
Alright, team. Let's do this.
Yo, what's up,
1,000.
guys?
Guys, there's a volley bear.
Oh
Here,
shit.
get the volley bear,
Oliver
get the
is
volley bear.
irrelevant.
I know.
Bruh.
Yo, he
Bruh.
can't outspeed me.
Bruh. Bruh.
Or me.
Bruh.
I know.
Bruh. Bruh. This man leaves his volley bear. Bruh.
Good.
Bruh.
Yeah, are we going to game?
Bruh.
Fuck, it's still
Bruh.
pushing Triss. Fuck this game.
Yo, my
Bruh.
pass boots are on.
Bruh. Bruh.
Yo,
Think
I'm
about that way, bruh.
Oh
Oh, I hit the wall.
Can you check that?
Oh, frick.
Found him.
I'm coming.
Gross.
Bruh.
Can you not? Like, what the fuck is that
Bruh.
silence?
Bruh.
I chill. I'ma head out now.
Peace.
Can they not remove the silence from the fucking idiot?
Oh, good
Why?
job.
Oh,
Our
possible.
Because it pisses me off. He cues you and then you can't do shit for 2 seconds.
What about Fiddlesticks?
James, you.
Fiddlestick's whole kit is one
I'm
bird.
here.
How you doing?
But Garen has a W that gives him a shield, makes him have infinite MR, and fucking just insane. Has a Q that deals a shit ton of damage early game and silences them for 8 years. has an E
Ooh,
that
unlucky.
scales off of attack speed, procs, conquer, and just wins him the game, and has an ult that kills anyone below 99% health.
Oh no, he just body
I
slam.
like how you're talking about Garen when Garen's not even the game.
Good
Garen
job.
doesn't even exist. Oh wait, we're fighting.
Yeah.
Wait, are we fighting? Yo,
Wow, she
Oh
flat.
wait,
Let's do
we're
it.
fighting?
What the fuck?
I'm
this
gonna
guy's
head
kind
over.
of elite.
Wait, how? Oh
Bruh.
she. Oh wait, she
Bruh.
cleansed my ignite.
Bruh.
Yo, they
Oh,
don't
I
see me coming. They see me coming.
Yo, Garen's
They don't see me coming.
Alright,
Woo!
nice.
Survive.
Garen.
Garen was coming, but Fong came.
Garen was coming, but Fong came faster.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's push mid. I got
I'm
that.
unstoppable. Yay!
I like that my KDA now is 444. That's
Yeah,
a good
but
shit
your
in here.
but your CS is not 44.
You fucking
Yo, shut up, Johnson. Don't speak the truth like that, man.
get that, Damien. Get that.
Where am I going?
Get
Straight.
that, retard. Oh my god, David's so bad at this game!
No, I smited her. What happened? What the frig?
Might.
I didn't see what happened.
No, I have burning smite, and she didn't get burned.
Ah, yes, of course.
It's
Hey,
not
you're
burning
right.
smite, it's challenging smite. What?
Same thing.
No, there is no burning smite.
It's
One of
the
them
same,
slows,
that's-
the other one challenges.
Yeah, same thing.
Yo, what's
Should have picked alt.
I'm so good at this video game.
We've got this covered.
Oh wow, they really want to kill me.
Alright, nice.
Sorry, man.
Yo, are you guys fighting? I'm gonna head over.
Yeah.
Yo, Nikita did a bit.
You know why I died? You know why? Because Garen has a fucking silence.
But
Oh.
Garen
So?
sounds me, not you.
He just shushes you up. Well, what is that gonna do?
Me. He
That's
queued
me.
me after. He queued me after you died. I
I'm
would've
not fighting
eaten
him, I'm
He
fighting
would have been dead. But he silenced me, and I couldn't do shit for 8 years.
I'm gonna head up
Military
top
just, like,
lane. I'll
not
see you guys in
being
a bit.
melee range.
You went from really losing to doing good.
Can we remove every single character other than Pike from the game?
I don't know.
Be one for all.
Debatable.
Just permanent.
Pike
control.
versus Pike, dude. It's epic. Pike
It's
counters
epic.
Pike, but also Pike
That
counters.
I'm just imagining how stupid a freaking one for all Pike team fight would look like.
Yeah,
Yo, I'm lagging.
Whoever pushes our first team.
I see that there's
Damien's
some
bad at
action
this
going
game.
on down here, so
No,
I'm gonna head over.
I was lagging at the time, but now I'm not. But I
No one
was.
cares, Damien. No one cares about your opinion.
It's not an
Oh, no.
opinion.
Yo, what
No one
about
cares
Drake,
about
guys?
Yo,
you,
get Drake,
okay?
get Jock. Get Drock!
I want power.
We're
Well,
getting
alright.
Drake then.
Zipping and zooming.
Yo,
you can do that.
That's power field. Wait a second, Johnson.
What's up?
No, never mind. He's still stuck.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go get this Ash.
Yo, guys, I can go fast. I can go so fast.
Oh yeah, well
Yo,
I
where
can
is she?
do it.
Oh yeah, James. Oh.
Yeah, I can do it.
I think she did the zipping.
This is free CS right here.
Why is there
Oh,
control?
she's level 14. No.
Alright,
The
James.
only free
No,
thing
no.
is the cheese in the mouse trap. As my mother used to
I'm gonna
say.
head over.
Oh my.
Why does she eat
Oh
and
shit! I'm gonna head out.
Oh,
What the-
Why am I rooted?
Wowzers. There seems to be a lot of them there.
This guy just ignited me to cancel my predator. What a chat.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he ain't killing this
So
body today.
stupid. I don't
What's
like
up?
this game. Morgana's just a retarded character.
Awesome.
They
Oh,
should
wow.
remove roots from the game.
Shut up, Mr. Johnson. Are you there?
I'm trying to play. I'm trying to be Hoshinshin, okay?
Johnson.
Dude,
Shut
mages
up.
are literally the most OP in this game.
Shut up!
Who's moaning?
Yeah.
There's someone in your house moaning.
I'm gonna go top lane.
I don't think anybody is.
I is speed. Wait a
What
minute.
the frick?
Why'd they get Baron?
I don't
You
know.
guys
No,
know
right?
that.
The Baron's actually garbage. There's nothing you can do with Baron.
I killed one of the people.
Yeah, I want to hide in the bush and press R.
You're not even going full AP, okay? Relax. Like you're not even going AP. You can't do
Yeah, that's a little bit of AP. Oh, hold on, let
a
me.
little bit. It's not a lot of AP. It's only a little bit.
Yeah, but at least it's there. Yo, who wants red buff?
Aww.
Okay, I want red buff. They're doing a lot of damage. My ultimate is garbage.
Wait a minute, I couldn't see them the whole time is because they were in that bush, dude. It's a big
Yo,
sad.
this Tristan is popping off.
It's fine. She'll die.
Lucian, come.
This guy's asking if I'm mad or happy.
Well, now.
3 minutes.
Lucian,
I
come.
come.
Holy fuck, I can't. I can't.
Why did you 1v1 her? I was there.
No, you won. You're up here.
Yeah,
You're
because I
better.
was like looking for her, and I was like, "Yo, Lucian, you should come," and you were like, "Nah, I'm gonna be a retard. I'm gonna int."
That's not very nice.
Yeah, that's not very nice.
Nice. See, I'm silenced again. I can't do shit. What the fuck?
Vows
so
to
stupid.
Alright.
glory again.
Oh.
Never.
What?
I actually don't know that guy. I actually don't know the answer.
She has an argument
Yumi.
with Ash.
Called
She has an
Yumi,
argument
buddy.
with Ash. She has an argument with Ash.
Yumi objective. It's when you take Yumi as a support, you'll take teleport. When you're going for objectives,
Oh,
you'll take
shit!
teleport. When you really feel like you're dying a lot, you can also take teleport.
You know, I forgot that I had a W.
Can you guys not do damage?
I did it. I got the kill.
Yeah, guys, let's do it. Yeah.
Leave. Ow! He does a lot
Oh,
there.
it's James. Oh, no. Oh, James. Oh, no.
Wait, what? No. You were so far away. You can't attack me like. The fuck? When do
Oh,
you
dude.
take teleport / flash as an AAC 50? Dude, you know, it's just you just got to keep playing the game, man.
Penis, yeah, like that.
All of that. Peter.
You know, if you keep trying hard, you'll learn.
Shut up, James. Stop being smart. Answer her question.
What's
I think she's
the
talking
question?
shit to her Ash.
No,
Like,
no.
because her Ash took teleport, and then Morgana was like, shouldn't you take heal? And then Ash was like, no, teleport works good. And then Ash inted the fuck out of her lane. And then Morgana's like, ha, you fucking suck. Let me ask this Yushin that's like,
Mediocre at best.
no, what do you mean Yumi doesn't take flash? Yumi doesn't, the ADC does. You're literally asking about ADC. Holy shit,
Christ.
you're dumb.
Yo, who
Oh
wants this
jeez, oh
Drake?
frick, oh gosh, oh
Who wants the
darn.
Drake? I want the Drake.
Okay, dumbass.
I'm ahead out.
Literally right there. Literally, oh
Right.
my god, you're so...
Yeah, Yumi's on ADC. Yumi is a.
I'm ahead out now.
Was that even worth? No, it wasn't amazing.
I'm pretty sure a big boy is coming near you guys, so like I'm gonna
There's a big.
I'm gonna make myself feel good right in the moment.
Bruh,
Four.
bruh.
Damien! Okay.
Oh,
What is he just standing here?
I honestly have no idea what the fuck I'm building. Yo, what does
Mike is so much
U.GG
fun.
say? U.GG says not to build this, but you know whatever.
Wait, what?
Nice ult, stupid.
Shut up, Damien. No one asked for your opinion, dumb cunt.
You got the opinion anyway.
Wowzers.
4.
James, stop organisming.
Hey, how about you just get a kill?
Oh,
Got him.
oh, dude.
Yo, that Ash just checked for vision.
What is this triangle? Wait, that was actually so synchronized.
Sometimes I swear that book is just showing up.
Yo, Fong, are we gonna go fast? I'll come fast.
I was 1,000 movement speeded.
I'm serious, I forgot that Quinn's in the game. I completely forgot Fong was.
Whoa,
Dude,
that
this-
shit ain't right,
dude,
yo.
Dude, this Morgana's
No, dude, he's been
building
flying
and
around the
Astro
place.
has
I haven't
one
been keeping an eye on him at all.
I'ma head
Explain this to
over.
me.
Why does she never queue us? She always queues the minions or something else other than us.
Because she needs money.
Smart, dude.
She needs
smart.
money.
Yeah, she's got
She
her.
needs money, dude. Are you serious?
I'ma head over.
Oh, shitty
Illusion, I'm
doodles.
coming. Oh my
Leave,
god.
dude. I'll see you later.
I'ma.
Fuck, you gave him a
Wow,
Wait, I'm
this-
ahead of. What the fuck was that? How did he flip me in my E?
Wowzers.
I'm head out.
Yeah. Damien,
I'm
back
not
off.
gonna go in there, you fucking retard.
Damien, back off. Back. Damien, back. Damien, what the fuck are you doing?
Yo,
Damien,
question mark
stop.
K. Wait! Oh,
Bruh. Bruh.
Why is this
Bruh.
Tristana 20 something? Fong?
well, I died to it 4 times, okay?
Immediately fall.
Yo, I
Like,
died to
I'm
it
not
4
facing
times,
Fong.
okay?
Well, I wonder who fed her in lane so that she was able to do all this shit.
I died to
Yeah,
it
it's
4
honestly
times.
Pikachu, dude.
That's 4 times too many.
Guys, do something.
Yeah,
Yo,
guys.
turn on that alt. Yeah.
Yo, this is not a tryhard. Look.
I got flipped and then it died immediately. Yo, that's insane.
Yo, this is honest.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow!
Tristana's gay.
Yo, she's so
Tristana's
tryhard, what the
gay,
fuck?
dude. She's so gay. Oh my god. She's like the gayest person possible.
It's
I'ma head out.